Hey there! Today's video will tackle a common problem that TypeScript developers may encounter when working with type manipulation. Picture this scenario. You have a variable called payload that needs to change its type as it goes through different functions. However, despite your efforts, the type isn't updating as expected. How do we solve this issue? Let's dive in. In the solution provided, we learned that TypeScript doesn't handle arbitrary mutation of variable types. The key is to have each variable maintain a single type throughout its lifecycle. By creating new variables for each transformation instead of reassigning the same one, we can ensure that the types narrow correctly. So, by utilizing new variables like payload 1 and payload 2 for each step of transformation, we can achieve the desired type progression. Now, going deeper into the solution, we explore assertion functions as a way to narrow the variable type over time. By using assertion functions like add-a and add-b, we can modify the input payload and narrow its type accordingly. This approach allows us to work with a single variable whose type evolves as it moves through different functions. It's a more advanced technique that can be handy in certain scenarios where dynamic type narrowing is required. Continuing with the solution, we see how assertion functions play a crucial role in modifying the payload type. By calling add-a and add-b with the payload variable, we can sequentially narrow its type based on the operations performed within the functions. This method provides a streamlined way to manage type transformations within a single variable, ensuring type safety and accuracy throughout the process. In conclusion, we've explored how to address the challenge of updating variable types in TypeScript by leveraging new variables and assertion functions. By following these techniques, you can effectively manage type transformations and ensure the correctness of variable types at each step. I hope you found this discussion helpful. Remember to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Stay tuned for more coding tips and tricks.